Okay, so for C, it says the recommended tire pressure is between 28 and 32, right? So it's asking for the probability that it's within range. So we're looking for this spot right here in the middle. So the first thing we need to figure out is what is the area that is below 32, just because that's the way a probability curve works. We just got to figure out what's the entire area beneath 32, so that's why we're going to use this formula down here. Put our mean and our standard deviation in like we do, and we're going to get this figure. Then remember, because we're really just looking for this spot here in the middle. So once we find all that area in orange to the left, then what we're going to need to do is like cut off, for lack of a better term, all this area here to the left, because that's not really what we want. We just want the stuff that's in the middle. So we've got to find out what is that area to the left of 28, which is why we're going to use this formula and find this amount. And so we'll take the area in the orange that we just found a second ago and subtract, because we just cut off the area. So that minus that is what gives us our final answer right here.